how to delete all messenger chats at once. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to delete all your messenger chats at once. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger on your device. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top. You will see an option to select chats. Tap on it. Now select all the conversations or chats you want to delete. Please note that this action only deletes chats on your end. Messages, photos and videos will still be visible to the other person involved in the chat. To delete all selected chats, tap on the delete icon at the top. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you are sure about deleting all your selected chats. Please note that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you are sure about deleting all your chats or conversations, then tap the delete option. And there you have it, you have successfully deleted all your chats or conversations on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.